Emami came up with its numbers. How are Emami numbers looking like, Suyash, before I get in Amit?
Yes, Shweta. So Emami posted a good set of numbers today. Now net profit went up by 86.6% to 137.7 crore in the first quarter of FY24. In the year ago quarter, it was about 73.8 crore. Meanwhile, revenue jumped about 7% to 825.6 crore from 773 crore in Q1 FY23. Now, EBITDA was up almost 10% to 190 crores from 173.4 crore, and the margin also improved slightly by 60 basis points to 23% in Q1 FY24 from 22.4% in the year ago period.
All right, interesting. Emami seems to have made a lot of profit, perhaps on the back of the fact that the raw material cost has been going down consistently. Amit, stock also reacted positively, up about 2.11%. How are you reading these numbers?
Look, Emami has been a sort of a underperformer over the past 5 years as compared to other FMCG majors. The reason for that is, essentially they have been, the promoters have placed a lot of shares in the market, and they haven't had a, stable margins and strong growth both coming together, for the past 5 years. But I think things are now changing. If in this particular quarter, as Suyash also pointed out, there was some impact due to unseasonal rains. Remember they have a summer portfolio which is about 30% and a non-summer, a portfolio which is almost 70%. I mean, seasonally, this is a weak quarter for them if you take the whole calendar year. So there was in the summer portfolio, I think there was a decline of about 5%. The other major brands like Navratna or Fair and Handsome, they had a strong double-digit growth into that. I think the market also got excited because of two reasons. One was that they announced a buyback of about 185 crores. That was a big positive move towards the shareholders. And secondly, their whole strategy of selling out non-core assets over the last few years, that is seeing some strong traction. Remember, they sold their cement plants to Nirma 3-4 years ago. They are also in the process of deleveraging and selling their power plant to Brookfield. They're also selling their hospital chains to Manipal. So there is a lot of deleveraging in the balance sheets happening. In fact, the promoter pledge shares are also now down about 33%. It was as high as 90%,
Okay.
a few years ago. So I think things are looking good for Emami in the short term, and accordingly the street is reacting to it.
All right, things looking good for Emami.